Someone commented that I have a bad desktop wallpaper, so it is time to make it right. This is my desktop right now, and yeah, I won't say it's good, it is mediocre. So I'm just going to start by getting some wallpapers. I already got some here. I have 4 of them. Now let's install Rain Meter, which is an app for desktop customization. Finish very fast. I already have some skins here, which I found out after searching for a long time. Now all I have to do is open this and install. Just don't mind that sound, please. I don't need the settings. I'll unload it. I don't need the player. I don't need the recycle bin. Okay. Let the weather and the clock be there. So this is how my desktop looks right now. I think I need to position it better. Okay, this is better. This is better. Now I need to remove all my desktop icons. I don't need to delete them one by one, so I'll just do this. Now we need to set the theme to be dark so that it looks good, and finally I am going to show you how to make the taskbar transparent. Now I am going to select dark. I think that fits my need better. Now it's time to make our taskbar transparent. Go to this link and get the this one. Get the .rm skin file, and all you have to do is just hit install and it'll do everything automatically for you. Okay, now my desktop is transparent. This looks very good. Now I am going to set my desktop to slideshow mode, which will show you how. Now I am going to select slideshow and browse for my folder where I have all my wallpapers. There you go. That's how we make a desktop look good. From where does this pop up? Okay. I'll show you all my desktop backgrounds. Comment which one is your favorite. Okay, now Joseph Johnson, the one who commented it. Now you can't say this isn't a good desktop. So bye.